Hey, how's it going? Is this Bobin?
This is Bobby. Yes.
Hey, how you doing? My name's David from DS Home Realty. I'm calling about the property over there on.
Yes.
Did I happen to catch you at a good time?
Sure.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, it looks like your property it was referred to us by one of our referral companies a few weeks ago. So definitely very interested in having just a conversation regarding this property. And just kind of a little bit of background about myself. I'm actually a local real estate investor in the area, but I'm also a local real estate agent. So what I wanted to do today, was hopefully just learn a little bit more about your interest in possibly selling the property over there in Brunswick, and just really to see if I can help in any way. Sound good?
I don't think I'm going to list it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So are you interested in selling like if the price was right or like I because I do work with a lot of investors in the area that kind of would be able to provide maybe like a cash offer for your property, but I'm totally aware that some sellers they're looking to try to get the top dollar for it, and to do that, would be to list it on the MLS. So like I'm always there to help you with that as well. So just to kind of I guess start off the call, like would you mind sharing with me a little bit more about what your current needs are and maybe kind of what you're looking to do with it?
Okay. Well, I'm definitely not going to give it to you as a listing because my best friend is a real estate agent. So if I do give it to anybody, it'll be to him.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah.
And
If you have somebody that's interested to buy it for the right price, will I sell it? Possibly, yeah.
okay, gotcha. Now, is this a property that you live in, or is this just like an investment property for
No,
yourself?
it's a rental.
It's a rental. Gotcha. Okay. And then do you are you from like the area? Are you from around here, like the Brunswick area? Just out of
Yeah, I
curiosity.
moved to Cleveland from New York in 2003.
Okay, gotcha. Very good. So I'm just kind of looking at some of the pictures online. Um, I mean, like just a ballpark. Did you have an idea of what you were planning on getting, like what you were planning on trying to get for it?
You say it again. I'm sorry. Somebody text me from Steelers. Say that again.
Oh, no worries. Yeah, I'm just looking at some of the pictures online. I mean, did you happen to have a price that you were looking to try to get for it?
No, I don't have a price in mind. It would just have to be, offering that. I would have to see who the comps and see what it's worth.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I'm just let me see here. Um, so when you do sell this, are you looking to buy another property, or are you just looking to maybe take advantage of the market?
I don't know. I own a lot of properties, so I don't know if I would pay off some of my other properties or if I would do a
Uh huh.
1031 exchange. I really don't know.
Gotcha, gotcha. Well, really one of the main reasons I was calling was just to see if you had a realtor, but it sounds like you do have an agent in the area that you currently work with. I guess like, I mean, would you be open to work with other people to help you maybe find an investment property, or are you really just trying to any kind of deal you do, you're going to go to your contact?
No, I don't have to go to my contact when I get a deal. If somebody tells me I put a deal,
Uh
I
huh.
buy it. I mean, first of all, he's my partner. We own properties. We've had many properties together. We've done many flips together.
Oh, okay.
We just made an offer on another property this week together. So,
Oh, very good. Yeah, so I would love to at least add you into my database because I do come across a lot of deals that maybe worked for you as an investment that I can at least bring to you if that'd be something you're interested in.
yeah, sure.
Awesome. So I mean, I guess like in terms of what you would look for, like what's kind of your criteria? What are some of the areas that you like to invest in?
Only west side of Cleveland. I don't like anything on the east side.
West side of Cleveland.
Yeah.
Now, do you like these kind of like
That's where my properties are at.
do you kind of like the suburbs too, like Medina area, Brunswick?
Not really. No.
No. Okay. So you
Too
like
expensive, high taxes.
yeah. I mean, wouldn't do you ever do any flips around these areas? Because I feel like they could be
No,
decent
because
areas.
I never had access to huge amounts of money.
Uh huh.
So that's a big thing. Usually when I buy something for 30, 40, 50. I put another 30, 40.
Okay, so you're looking
And
something
my
for
investors that I have that lend me money, I buy properties here in Cleveland for, around 100,000, 125,000. I buy apartment buildings,
uh huh.
buildings with storefronts, and I get them for dirt cheap. I only buy something that's completely dilapidated,
Uh huh.
and then my investors, I buy it for cash, and then I renovate everything myself. That's how I bought all my properties.
Okay, gotcha. There was a
I'm not
person.
going to pay top dollar. I don't care if it's complete top area, top condition. I don't like buying it. I just like buying rundown stuff.
Right, you like to get a deal, right? You like to have some little bit
Yeah.
of margin in there.
Yeah. I mean, everybody wants to get a deal, but the way that I've done it is, I know a lot of investors, they buy it, ready, rent ready, everything's done. I don't like that because I don't have access to big kinds of money. So I just find stuff that's really down,
Hmm.
not being run the right way. I'll make an offer. If I get it, I get it. If not, just move on to the next project.
And are you strictly looking for like single family homes, or are you open to like duplexes and?
I don't really. I'm more interested in buying like buildings with like storefronts and garages and multi-unit buildings, you know, just, but I don't buy in like rough areas. Like I used to have rough area houses. I got rid of all of them. I only buy in decent areas, the stuff that's run down.
Right. Gotcha. Yeah, actually, I have a place over there in Berea. I don't know if you're familiar with Berea at all.
Yeah, it's just like a suburb on the west side of Cleveland.
Yeah. I mean, I like all those kind of cities to invest just because you can get you get a good tenant base in there, and like the rent's pretty solid as well, you know.
Yeah, but you're gonna pay top dollar for, you know, areas like that. Like Parma is so expensive. Lakewood is crazy.
Yeah, Lakewood's nuts.
And, you know, so I don't even bother looking at those areas. I just do my little thing in Cleveland. When something pops on the radar, I buy it, and that's it.
Gotcha. Alrighty.
I have close to 100 units on the west side of Cleveland.
Oh wow, thanks. So you're a big time investor in the area.
I wouldn't say big time. I met guys that have thousands of units. It's not a small fish for them.
Yeah. I guess there's always someone that you can compare to, you know. That's how I am right now.
My main big thing is I have a 54 unit building in Gordon Square in Shoreway.
Okay.
I own a 54 unit, and that's where my office is at, and then I have like 15 unit, 8 unit, a 4 unit, and then a lot of doubles and singles all over the west side of Cleveland. I have a couple of warehouses and a couple of lots, empty lots. And I just made an offer on another building over here in Gordon Square with 4 apartments and 2 storefronts.
Gotcha. Now, do you manage all these yourself, or do you have a management company?
Yeah, I do everything myself.
So this is what you do full time?
That's what I do full time. Yeah, you call me at 2 a.m, I'll probably pick up.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's nuts. I mean, imagine that many units on your own. That's got to be a lot of work.
Well, I have a partner on I have like 60 something on my own, and then I have like 30 something with a partner.
Now, do you guys bring all the like cash to the deal yourself, or do you have other investors that invest in it?
I have investors. I used to have 3 investors. One of my investors just passed away, so he was a real nice guy. But I'm down to 2 investors. So they give me a couple $100,000 when I ask for it, but I don't have any heavy hitter investors like million. I wish I would have had somebody like that. I just never got a hold of somebody like that. So all my investors like 100 here, 150 here. You know, like now if I buy this building over here, I'm gonna need about $250,000. So between my 2 investors, they're gonna give me the money. So
Now, and then do you just give them?
It's kind of hot.
Do you just out of curiosity, do you just give your investors like a preferred return and call it a day, or do you give them some equity in the property?
I give them 8%. They're charging me 8% interest. The one investor is holding me paper for 10 years, and the other investor is gonna hold me for 15 years and 8% interest. So it's a little high, but you know, they don't make me go through any paperwork. They don't need to run my credit. They know me. They trust me. So it's just one of those things. We do a contract with the lawyer, and that's it.
Right. Yeah, that's big time.
Yeah. It's nice. It's nice to have people like that, you know.
And they don't have any equity in the deal, that you just kind of give them interest and call it a day?
No. They just say, Bobby, here's the money. One of my investors likes to hold the deed. My other investor, he don't even want to hold the deed. He puts the thing in my name right away.
Wow. Those are the ones.
He trusts me that I'm not going to screw him over. But my other investor, he always holds the deed. But I don't care. I don't ask to hold a deed. And I tell people, you know, it's better for you if you hold a deed. The guy's like, no, Bobby, you just take it. I trust you. So I'm like, okay.
Right. Yeah, that's those are nice to have. I mean, and that can go a long way in Northeast Ohio, you know, with buying properties.
Oh, yeah. But now it's sad because, like, the market's so crazy now. Like, I remember sitting in my computer and I would go see 20 houses a day. That's how exciting it was. It was like a kid in a candy store. Now it's like, dude, I'm lucky if I find one deal every 3-4 months, 5 months.
Right.
You know, everything is crazy now.
Well, you know, I mean, I think you almost have to go off market. I mean, like, that's what I'm doing right now with you, you know, just kind of calling people out of the blue. Because you'd be surprised. There's a lot of people that are out there that would be willing to sell if they can get it, you know, the price that they're looking for. So it's nice that I at least, you know, got in contact with you, because now I know, you know, you are an investor in the area. So if I do come across anything, I can even shoot it your way. And if it is off market, I don't know if you're familiar with like how wholesaling works or anything like that, but
we can make some kind of deal. You know, I'm very honest. If I give you my word, I give you my word. Or you can say, hey, Bobby, if I tell you this, you have to kind of contract that if you buy it, that you'll give me $2,000 or whatever we agree on. I have no problem with that. Everybody got to make their money.
Right.
Yeah. So I have no problems with that. I bought the best deals I've ever got was through wholesalers. And dude, I remember when Craigslist was off the hook in the beginning. Dude, I used to buy houses on Craigslist, and I made a killing buying houses on Craigslist. Now you go to Craigslist, it's all junk.
Yeah, there's nothing there anymore.
It's all the shit that nobody wants to buy.
Right. So let me, if you wouldn't mind, can I grab your email address just so I can shoot you an email after this, so you have some of my information? That way, you know. Okay. Let me see.
My email address is
Netscape.net.
Yeah.
Very good. Alrighty, sounds good. Well, I will shoot you an email this afternoon. And how do you pronounce your name again? Is it Boban?
Boban is my real name, but
Boban.
everybody calls me Bobby.
Bobby?
Boban
Okay.
is a Serbian name. Yeah, I'm Serbian, but Bobby's my Americanized name, I guess you could say.
Gotcha. Well, very good, Bobby. Well, it was nice talking with you. Honestly, for this property over there in Brunswick, if I was to offer you your cash offer, it would just insult you probably. I was more calling about like, maybe to. I was just really calling just to see if you had a realtor in the area, and if so, like, if not, then maybe I can have a conversation regarding that. But if I do come across anything, I'll be sure to, shoot you an email or give you a call and see if it kind of fits your criteria.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Bobby. Talk to you later.
And if you're ever on the west side of Cleveland, you can always stop by my office for coffee.
Oh, that'd be great. Yeah. Where are you at again? Yeah, I always love to, talk to investors. I actually have a 6-unit over in Berea. And I'm just kind of starting to get in the game, I still have a lot to learn, but I have about 8 units right now. But that's definitely something that I want to do, like, long term, is to kind of get into the investment space where I'm buying, apartments, kind of like what you're doing.
You might get lucky now because the market's probably gonna cool down a little bit, so
right.
Might work out in your favor. Because like the last 2-3 years, it's been I don't know. For me, I got lucky. I ended up buying 2 apartment buildings. Both of them, one was on the market, but nobody was giving them a fair price, and then I just came in and I gave them a fair price, and I ended up buying it. And then I bought right across the street. I bought a word of mouth 4-unit, 2 apartments and 2 storefronts. So and now I'm working on this side deal too over here in Gordon Square. It's literally it's an unbelievable deal. If we can get it for $225, $250, I think it's a steal of a deal.
And what is that? That's a 4-unit, you said?
It has 2 huge apartments. It has one bedroom apartment. It has a studio, which I've never seen a studio this small. It's like 100 square feet. And then it has 2 storefronts. So the guy's asking a lot of money for it. He's asking $300. So we offered him $210. So I haven't heard from him yet. So if we can get it for $225 to $250 tops, it's worth it. Because I'm gonna have to dump probably a good $75,000 to $100,000 into it. So
yeah. Now, how'd you find that deal? Was that on the market?
No, the guy doesn't have it in the market. Just word of mouth. And we called him up, and he had a lot of investors. A lot of people came through, but it needs a lot of work. And I don't think any bank is gonna give a loan on that, so it'd have to be a cash deal.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah, it'd have to be a cash deal. I don't think any bank, because it's empty, it's kind of shitty, and then it's a mixed use, and banks hate dealing with mixed use properties. I've had a hard time over the years, trying to get financing on mixed use, so it's really hard.
Yeah, you probably have to get a commercial loan, right?
Well, you have to get a commercial loan, but it's easy to get a commercial loan. Like if it's a 6-unit, 8-unit, 12-unit, it's considered commercial, but it's not mixed use, so it's easy. But
right.
As soon as you have a storefront or a warehouse or something like that, it's a disaster, man. A lot of banks run from that shit.
Right. I'm surprised you'd be interested in the storefront stuff because, I mean, obviously, like, I know how to get a tenant in place, but is it tough to get someone in there for, like, a business?
It is. But see, what I do is I ended up getting blessed. I got connected with a really famous, not I don't want to say famous, but he's really popular here in Cleveland. You ever heard of Cleveland Lafungo?
Cleveland Lafungo?
Yeah, the Puerto Rican restaurant, the really popular Puerto Rican restaurant on the west side of Cleveland.
No, I don't think I have.
Okay, well, just Google Puerto Rican food in Cleveland. You'll see there's only two of them. There's Rincon and Cleveland Lafungo. There's more, but these are the 2 really popular. And then you ever heard of City Slice Pizza?
I've heard of City Sliced, yeah.
Yeah, that's my building where they're at. Because I became friends with Eric Roman. He's a chef. And I got connected with him. So I'm buying all these properties that I buy. He puts a lot of his workers. And then he's opening up all these pizzerias and restaurants in my buildings.
Oh, wow.
So this building, I called him and I said, hey, Eric, I'm going to open up another pizzeria over here. It's a really top-notch area. And he might open up another pizzeria in that building if I buy it.
Right. Have you
another building that I bought, he's gonna open up a burger shop, restaurant, a burger in my other building, the one that across the street that I bought from the pizzeria.
Oh, very good. Have you ever heard of Barrio?
I've heard of Barrio, yes.
So I'm pretty sure that owner, he's from around here too, right? So I wonder if they would ever be interested in, getting into one of those storefronts. Because they're all over the place in Cleveland.
Yeah, if Eric doesn't want to do it, because I like getting involved with Eric because he's a good dude. He's a man of his word. He pays his rent. He's my good friend, and his food is amazing, man. I mean, whatever he touches is gold.
Mm-hmm.
So So, and if he doesn't take it, then I guess it's just going to be one of those things. They just give it to a real estate agent who specializes in storefronts and try to get lucky and get somebody good in there,
Right. Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, if you ever need help with like calling people or cold calling or whatever, like just to kind of get someone in there, like give me a call. I'm more than happy to help you out with finding someone for those.
I'll punch you in my phone so I have you as one of my contacts. What's your first name?
David.
David, okay. Yeah, I'll put you in as David Real Estate.
Yeah, whatever.
Like 20 people with this. Is their first name and their real estate, so I know when they call me somebody like that.
Yeah, just say David Real Estate Agent / Investor or something. And then is this your cell? Is this
my phone number? Yeah.
okay? Perfect. Yeah, I'll save your number in my phone as well, and I'll shoot you an email just so you have my email address this afternoon.
Yeah. All right, bro.
Okay, thank you so much. Great talking with you. Have a great weekend.
Yeah,
Thanks, bye.